Welcome. Is your Gmail refusing to open? Don't stress, because in this updated guide, we'll walk you through some simple steps to get your email back up and running. First, let's check your internet connection. A stable connection is key to accessing your Gmail. On your device, open the Settings app and click on the network icon. Make sure you are connected to your usual network and that everything is working as it should. If the internet isn't the issue, sometimes simply closing and reopening the Gmail app can do the trick. This is a quick way to refresh the application and can resolve minor glitches. Next, we're going to clear the app's cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve issues caused by temporary files. To do this on an Android device, go to your device settings and find the Gmail settings. The exact path may vary slightly depending on your device. Once you're in the Gmail settings, look for the option to clear data. Tap on Clear Data and then choose Clear Cache. You'll need to confirm this step. Don't worry, this won't delete your emails or personal information. It only removes temporary files. Now, let's move on to the most tried and true method: restarting your device. This can help resolve any underlying issues that might be preventing Gmail from opening. After restarting, open the Gmail app again and see if it's working. If you're still running into problems, there are a few more things you can try. You can update the Gmail app. Head over to the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for Gmail, and tap Update if there's an update available. Another thing you can try is to remove and re-add your Google account. Go to your device's settings, tap on Accounts, choose Google, and then remove your account. After that, add your account back. You can also check if there are any system updates available for your device. Go to Settings, then System, and check for updates. Keeping your system up to date can improve compatibility and resolve issues. If none of these steps work, you can visit the Google Help Center for further assistance. They have a wealth of information and troubleshooting resources to help you resolve any Gmail issues you may be experiencing. That's it. With these simple steps, you should be able to fix Gmail not opening and get back to your inbox in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.